श्रीराम समर्थ. श्रीराम. दशक तिसरा, स्वगुण परीक्षा. समास दुसरा, स्वगुण परीक्षा, भाग अ.
Dashak 3 Commentary on Life Chapter 2 The Misery of Family Life Part 1 Shri Ram.
संसारी हाची दुःख मूळ, लागती दुःखाचे इंगळ, मागा बोलली तळमळ, गर्भवासाची.
Life itself is the root of suffering. The scorpion bite of pain is a continuous process. In the last chapter, we have talked about suffering in the womb.
गर्भवासी दुःख झाले, ते बाळक विसरले, पुढे वाढो लागले, दिवसे दिवस.
The child has now forgotten the miserable condition in the womb of the mother, and now it has started to grow day by day.
बाळपणी त्वचा कोवळी, दुःख होताची तळमळी, वाचा नाही तये काळी, सुख दुःख सांगावया.
The skin in the childhood is very soft and it cannot tolerate any touch, but the child does not know how to talk about pain or pleasure.
देहास काही दुःख झाले, अथवा क्षुधेने पीडले, तरी ते परम आक्रंदले, परी अंतर नेणवे.
If there is any pain in its body or if it is hungry, it only cries loudly, but nobody can know the difference.
माता कुरवाळी वरी, परी जे पीडा झाली अंतरी, ते मायेसी न कळे अभ्यांतरी, दुःख होये बाळकासी.
Mother fondles the child on the outside, but the suffering which the child has in its body cannot be understood by the mother.
मागुते मागुते फुंजे रडे, माता पुझावी घेऊन कडे, वेथा नेणती बापुडे, तळमळी जीवी.
It sobs again and again and cries, and the mother holds it, carries it from place to place. But she does not know what is wrong with the child, and she also gets worried.
नाना व्याधीचे उमाळे, तेणे दुःखे आंदोळे, रडे पडे का पोळे, अग्निसंगे.
Then in childhood, there are many ailments, and the child cries, goes into tantrums. Sometimes it sustains burns accidentally.
शरीर रक्षिता नये, घडती नाना अपाये, खोडी अधांतरी होये, आवेवहीन बाळक.
The child cannot take its own care. It meets with so many mishaps. Sometimes by its own naughtiness or by accident, it may even lose a limb.
अथवा अपाय चुकले, पूर्व पुण्य पुढे ठाकले, मातेस ओळखो लागले, दिवसे दिवस.
If at all it escapes such mishaps and is lucky enough, gradually it can identify its mother day by day.
क्षणभरी मातेस न देखे, तरी आक्रंदे रुदन करी दुःखे, ते समयी माते सारखे, आणिक काहीच नाही.
Then, if for a moment the mother is out of sight, it very loudly cries out of sorrow. These days, mother is everything for it. There is nothing greater than the mother.
आस करून वास पाहे, माते वीन कदा न राहे, वियोग पळमात्र न साहे, स्मरण झालिया नंतरे.
By hope, it looks for its mother. It cannot remain alone without her, and not for a moment can it remain quiet unless it sees her.
जरी ब्रह्मादिक देव आले, अथवा लक्ष्मीने अवलोकिले, तरी नवचे बुझाविले, आपले माते वाचुनी.
Even though God Brahma and other gods or goddess Lakshmi may come to give him solace, he cannot be pacified without its mother.
कुरूप अथवा कुलक्षण, सकळांहून करंटेपण, तरी नाही ती समान, भूमंडळी कोणी.
Mother may be ugly, evil, or have bad qualities. Even then, she is the greatest in the world for that child.
ऐसे ते केविलवाणे, माते विण दिसे उणे, रागे परते केले तिने, तरी आक्रोंदिनी मिठी घाली.
So the child is pitiable without its mother, and even though the mother may put it away angrily, it still clings to her.
सुख पावे माते जवळी, दुरी करिताची तळमळी, अतिप्रीती तये काळी, मातेवरी लागली.
It is always happy with the mother and becomes unhappy without her. Such is the great love of the child for its mother.
तव ते माते समरण आले, प्राणी पोरटे झाले, दुःखे झुरणी लागले, आई आई म्हणोनी.
Now it so happens that if the mother dies, the child becomes an orphan. It cries for its mother and becomes weak.
आई पाहता दिसेना, दीन रूप पाहे जना, आस लागली से मना, आई येईल म्हणोनी.
It searches for its mother, does not see her. Very pitiably looks at the faces of others and impatiently hopes that mother will come back.
माता म्हणून मुख पाहे, तव ते आपुली माता नव्हे, मग हिवावसले राहे, दैन्यवाणी.
It looks at some woman's face, and when it finds out that she is not its mother, it is very unhappy and feels dejected.
माते वियोगे कष्टले, तेणे मानसी दुःख झाले, देहही क्षीणत्व पावले, अतिशयेसी.
By the parting with its mother, the child inwardly suffers so much that its body becomes very emaciated.
अथवा माता ही वाचली, माया लेकुरा बेटी झाली, बाळदशा ते राहिली, दिवसे दिवस.
And suppose the mother is not dead, she survives the sickness, and then the child meets her, but slowly the days of childhood come to an end.
बाळपण झाले उणे, दिवसे दिवस होये शहाणे, मग ते मायेचे अत्यंत पेखणे, होते ते राहिले.
The childhood becomes a thing of the past. The child becomes wiser every day, and the tremendous love which it had for its mother decreases.
पुढे लोभ लागला खेळाचा, कळप मेळविला पोरांचा, आल्या गेल्या डावाचा, आनंद शोक वाहे.
The child now gets interested in the games. It gathers group of boys and plays in which he is happy or unhappy by winning or losing in a game.
माय बापे सिकविती पोटे, तयाचे परम दुःख वाटे, चट लागली न सुटे, संगतीले कुरांची.
The parents, with all the anxiety, try to teach the boy to behave properly, but the child does not like it. It gets angry, and the attraction of so many friends cannot be broken.
लेकुरांमध्ये खेळता, नाठवणे माता आणि पिता, तव तेथे ही अवचिता, दुःख पावला.
While playing with the children, the child is not mindful of his mother and father. While playing the games, suddenly it may get hurt.
पडिले दात फुटला डोळा, मोडले पाय झाला खुळा, गेला माझ अवकळा, ठाकून आली.
Either his tooth is broken, or he becomes blind by one eye, or suffers a fracture of the foot and becomes lame.
निघाल्या देवी आणि गोवर, उठले कपाळ लागला ज्वर, पोटसुळी निरंतर, वाय गोळा.
He contracts smallpox or measles. He may have headache, fever, stomachache, or some gas trouble.
लागली भूते झाली झडपणी, जळीच्या मेसको माये राणी, मुंजा झोटिंग करणी, म्हैसोबाची.
He may be possessed by lower spirits. Denizens of lower world such as gnomes, sylphs, salamanders, evil spirits must have troubled him, or the spirits presiding over trees or dead young men whose passions are not satisfied.
वेताळ खंकाळ लागला, ब्रह्मगिर्हो संचरला, नेनो चेडा ओलांडिला, काही कळेना.
The suffering of that boy cannot be diagnosed. Some say that a very high-ranking evil spirit like the Satan or Brahmagira must have troubled him, or the boy might have trespassed a haunted place.
येक म्हणती बीरे देव, येक म्हणती खंडेराव, येक म्हणती सकळ वाव, हा ब्राह्मण संबंध.
Some say the god Veera or Khandoba is responsible, while others say that this is all false. It must be a dead human spirit.
एक म्हणती कोणे केले, अंगी देवत घातले. एक म्हणती चुकले, सटवाईचे.
Some say somebody must have induced some evil god, and some say that the family people must have not performed the necessary rituals of the angel at birth or Satvai.
एक म्हणती कर्मभोग, अंगी जडले नाना रोग. वैद्य पंचाक्षरी चांग, बोलावून आणिले.
Some say this is all the result of his past karma. The boy was having many ailments, and so doctors and even exorcists were called.
एक म्हणती हा वाचेना, एक म्हणती हा मरेना. भोग भोगितो यातना, पापास्तव.
Some say the boy will not survive. Others say, no, he will not die. He is only suffering because of his own sins.
गर्भ दुःख विसरला, तो त्रिविध तापे पोळला. प्राणी बहुत कष्टी झाला, संसार दुःखे.
See, the child has now forgotten all the pains he had at birth. But in the childhood and adolescent age, he suffers from physical ailments, accidents, natural calamities, and he really becomes miserable.
इतुके ही चुकोन वाचला, तरी मार मारू शहाणा केला. लौकिकी नेटका झाला, नाव राखे ऐसा.
Suppose he survives all these troubles. Then the parents give him punishment now and then, and gradually he becomes adult, an honor to the family and respectable in the society.
पुढे माये बापी लोभास्तव, संभ्रमे मांडिला विवाह. दाउनिया सकळ वैभव, नोवरी पाहिली.
The parents, out of their own love, decide to arrange for his marriage. So they made an outward show of richness, and a bride was searched for him.
वऱ्हाडी वैभव दाटले, देखोन परमसुख वाटले. मन हे रंगोन गेले, सासुरवाडीकडे.
After marriage, the young man saw the property of his in-laws, and he was very happy and liked very much the home of his father-in-law.
माय बापी भलतरीसे असावे, परी सासुरवाडीस नेटके जावे. द्रव्य नसेल तरी घ्यावे, ऋण कळांतरे.
He neglected the welfare of his parents, but while going to father-in-law's house, he donned smart dress, and if he had no money, he takes loans.
अंतर्भावते सासुरवाडी, माये बापे राहिली बापुडी. होता ती सर्वस्वे कुडकुडी, तितुकेच कार्य त्यांचे.
His whole heart was towards the in-laws, and his parents became totally neglected and were in a pitiable condition. In a way, that was all that could be expected from them, he thought.
नोवरी आलिया घरा, अतिहव्यास वाटेवरा. म्हणे मजसारिखा दुसरा, कोणीच नाही.
When the bride came, he was very much mad after her and thought that there was nobody as lucky as himself.
माय बाप बंधू बहिणी, नोवरी न दिसता वाटे काणी. अत्यंत लोधला पापिणी, अविद्येने भुलविला.
When his wife was not there, he could not bear the very sight of his parents and his brothers and sisters. So he was under the influence of a wrong type of knowledge and became slave to illusion.
संभोग नसता इतुका प्रेमा, योग्य जालिया उल्लघी सीमा. प्रीती वाढविती कामा, करिता प्राणी गुंतला.
When the bride came of age and fit to be in bed with him, he surpassed whatever limits of morality there were earlier. His attraction increased very much and he became entangled.
जरी न देखे क्षण एक डोळा, तरी जीव होय उताविळा. प्रीती पात्र अंतरकळा, घेऊन गेली.
If his wife was out of sight even for a moment, he was anguished, and the bride in this way took away all the peace of his mind.
कोवळे कोवळे शब्द मंजुळ, मर्यादा लज्जा मुख कमळ. वक्त्र लोकने केवळ ग्राम ज्याचे मैदावे.
Her sweet words, modesty, beauty, and her attractive face and eyes, a net of Cupid, caused arousing of carnal desire in him.
कळवळा येता सावरेना, शरीर विकळ आवरेना, अनेत्र व्यवसायी क्रमेना, हुरहुर वाटे.
When the desire was too much to handle, he could not control his body and he could not concentrate on any other work.
व्यवसाय करिता बाहेरी, मन लागलेसे घरी, क्षणक्षणा अभ्यांतरी, स्मरण होये कामिनीचे.
When he was busy in some job away from home, his mind was in his home every moment, remembering her with a pang.
तुम्ही माझी या जीवातील जीव, म्हणूनी अत्यंत लाघव, दाऊनिया चित्त सर्व, हिरोन घेतले.
The bride said, "You are the apple of my eyes, you are the heart of my heart, you are my soul." And thus she captivated his mind.
मैद सोईरीक काढिती, फासे घालून प्राण घेती, तैसे आयुष्य गेलिया अंती, प्राणियास होये.
The rogues make friends, becomes very sociable, and when opportunity comes, they kill the man by garrote, similar to the condition of people in the old age.
प्रीती कामिनीसी लागली, तरी तयेसी कोणी रागेजली, तरी परमक्षिती वाटली, मानसी गुप्त रूपे.
This man loves his wife so much that if somebody gets angry with her, he becomes inwardly very agitated and frustrated.
तये भार्येचे नि कैवारे, माये बापेसी नीच उत्तरे, बोलोनिया तिरस्कारे, वेगळा निघे.
Taking the side of his wife, he insults his parents and separates himself from them.
स्त्री कारणे लाज सांडिली, स्त्री कारणे सखी सोडिली, स्त्री कारणे बिघडली, सकळ ही जीव लगे.
For his wife, he loses the sense of shame. He is cut away from his friends, and for her sake, all the relation with his kith and kin are spoiled.
स्त्री कारणे देह विकिला, स्त्री कारणे सेवक झाला, स्त्री कारणे सांडवला, विवेकासी.
In a way, he becomes a physical slave to his wife, a servant of her, and he is devoid of any sense of discrimination.
स्त्री कारणे लोलंगता, स्त्री कारणे अतिनम्रता, स्त्री कारणे पराधीनता, अंगीकारिली.
He is mad for his wife, becomes very lenient for her, and because of the wife, he becomes dependent.
स्त्री कारणे लोभी झाला, स्त्री कारणे धर्म सांडिला, स्त्री कारणे अंतरला, तीर्थयात्रा स्वधर्म.
Because of the woman, a person becomes greedy. He flouts religious code of conduct and forgets to visit places of pilgrimage.
स्त्री कारणे सर्वथा काही, शुभाशुभ विचारिले नाही, तनु मनु धनु सर्वही, अनन्य भावे अर्पिले.
Because of the wife, he does not discriminate between good and bad and surrenders the body, mind and money, everything to her.
स्त्री कारणे परमार्थ बुडविला, प्राणी स्वहितास नाडला, ईश्वरी कानकोंडा झाला, स्त्री कारणे काम बुद्धी.
Because of wife, a person forfeits his spiritual life. He himself becomes thwarted in his own welfare, and he is ashamed to see God because he is having lust for his woman.
स्त्री कारणे सोडिली भक्ती, स्त्री कारणे सोडिली विरक्ती, स्त्री कारणे सायोज्य मुक्ती, तेही तुच्छ मानिली.
Because of a woman, a person lets go of devotion and desirelessness and disregards even the final freedom.
येके स्त्रियेचे निगुणे, ब्रह्मांड मानिले ठेंगणे, जीव लगे ती पिसुणे, ऐसी वाटिली.
Now, just for the sake of a woman, he thought himself to be greater than the universe and considered his true relatives as enemies.
ऐसी अंतरप्रीती जडली, सर्वस्वाची सांडी केली, तव ते मरोन गेली, अकस्मात भार्या.
In this way, he loved his wife too much, lost everything for her, and one day, suddenly she died.
तेणे मनी शोक वाढला, म्हणे थोर घात झाला, आता कैचा बुडाला संसार माझा.
This caused great sorrow. He lamented and said, "Oh, what a great shock! I have lost my total family life. Now everything is gone."
जीवलगांचा सोडिला संग, अवचिता झाला घरभंग, आता करू माया त्याग, म्हणे दुःखे.
He stopped contact with his relatives. For him, it is a total breakdown of his family. And he says, "Now I will leave this family full of sorrow."
स्त्री घेऊन आडवी, उर बडवी पोट बडवी, लाज सांडून गौरवी, लोका देखता.
Putting the dead body of his wife in his lap, he beat his own chest and praises her while crying, leaving aside all the shame.
म्हणे माझे बुडाले घर, आता न करी हा संसार, दुःखे आक्रंदला थोर, घोर घोषे.
He said, "Oh, my home is lost. I am not going to lead any family life." He cried out due to great pangs of mental suffering.
तेणे जीव वारया वेघला, सर्वस्वाचा उबगा आला, तेणे दुःखे झाला, जोगी का महात्मा.
Because of her death, he was out of his mind. He was fed up with everything. On such occasions, sometimes the man becomes a monk.
का ते निघून जाणे चुकले, पुन्हा मागुते लग्न केले, तेणे अत्यंतची मग्न झाले, मन द्वितीय संबंधी.
If at all that renunciation does not take place, he marries again, and his mind is again occupied with the second wife.
झाला द्वितीय संबंध, सवेची मांडिला आनंद, श्रोती भावे सावध, पुढले समासी.
So he married again and started to think himself as happy. The listeners are requested to pay attention carefully to what is being said in the next chapter.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे स्वगुण परीक्षा नाम समास दुसरा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the third dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this second chapter, by name The Misery of Family Life, Part 1, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.